Good morning, children. Today you are going to learn about school uniform. School uniform. The school uniform is very important. Why school uniform is very important? Because it represents the culture of the school. It's showing the culture of the school. Because of that, school uniform is very important. Okay. The uniform is used by all the students in school. A school uniform is using by all students in your school. Every year, the government provides materials free to students for their uniforms. So, in government schools, providing materials freely to students for their uniforms. Each school has a uniform specific to it. So, each school has a uniform design style, right? And also it helps represent the identity of that school. It helps that school uniform is help represent the identity of that school. Tailoring of this uniform according to proper standards. When you're stitching the uniform according to proper standard, there's a proper standard. Is not only the identity of the school. That is not only the identity of the school, but it also the law. Similarly, it not only represents the identity of the school, but also displays as appearance of conformity among students. The school uniform is showing your behaviors also. You have to respect the school uniform, right? So we'll move to the next one. So we have to do our duties and responsibilities while enjoying our rights. Right? As a member of a school committee, everybody in the school takes action to ensure that you get the rights below. There are some rights, right? Now we are going to study rights. What are these rights? These are your rights as a member of the school, right? These are the rights. What are the rights? The right to education. The first thing is you must study. You must study well. As a member of a school committee, you have to study, right? The right to education. Next one, the right for the development of one talents, right? So you have to development your talents. You know what are talents? Yes. Next one, the right to security, right? The right to equality. What is equal? Right? The right to express one's ideas. You have to express someone's ideas. The right to associate with one's peers in school, right? You have to associate with other big students, everyone. You have to share with your ideas with big brothers, with sisters, everyone, right? Last one, the right to safeguard one's identity. Okay, right. The right to safeguard one's identity. As a student, you have the right to be provided with all facilities necessary to carry out your educational activities. The government provides additional things to safeguard your rights. The government is providing some additional things to safeguard your rights and for the development of your abilities. Government is providing additional things to safeguard and for the development of your abilities. Some things, right? They are providing. Government is providing. Here are some examples. These are the providing things from the government. What are the things? Free education. These are for only these things for only the government schools, right? They are providing free education. Provision free school textbooks, free uniform materials, laboratory facilities, sports meets, sport materials, library facilities, computer facilities, provision of language labs, right? Those are the things the government provides additional things to safeguard your rights and for the development of your ability, right?